Hello all, welcome to our new video. In this video, I will include every important detail regarding the unit of fundamentals of human resource management. Like we all know, employees are the most important resource for any organization, and it is the responsibility of human resource department of an organization to ensure that the employees that are working in the organization are right fit. Also, after being employed to the organization, their performance is evaluated properly, their compensation is provided on time. Also, the employees are happy working in the organization. There is a unit that includes all such information and guides the students on how to become an HR for any modern organization. This is this unit, the fundamentals of human resource management. Fundamentals of human resource management is a core unit that explores all the important and relevant HR functions like recruitment strategies, performance management and employee relations. So it explores the importance and the role of an HR department in a modern organization. So some of the topics that are covered under this unit are HR strategy, recruitment and selection, learning and development, performance management, compensation and benefits and employee relations. So the entire focus of this unit is to ensure that it is able to bridge the theoretical frameworks of human resource management with the practical application of these models into the contemporary organization while discussing the contemporary issues and challenges that the most HR face nowadays. So this is the unit that can make and help a student in becoming and fulfilling the dream of becoming an HR professional for any modern organization. So now we will be discussing that for whom this unit matters. This unit matters for anybody who wants to become a HR professional in future, or those who want to learn about how to manage human resource, how to deal with employees working in an organization. So this unit is able to impart the foundational knowledge that is required for managing human resource, for managing diverse kinds of people working in an organization. Also, it is able to impart that strategic approach that is required for achieving the organizational goals while managing the human resource working in an organization. So you will be not just be limited to understanding the behavior of the employees, but also knowing the strategic approach to how to lead them for achieving the organizational goals at last. Also, this course has all the relevant information about the workplace issues that are dealt with HR professionals in 2026. So if you want to become relevant in this industry, in this modern industry, then this course can be your choice. Now we will be discussing that what all assessments come under this unit. The first assessment is HR policy analysis. Like we all know, the first and the foremost role of any HR department is to ensure that it is able to recruit the right fit employee in the organization. So for example, my organization has a vacancy of a research writer. Now, as an HR, it's my responsibility to recruit an individual, an employee who has all the required skills and knowledge to become an effective research writer. So this is the first and the foremost role of a HR in an organization. So under this assessment, the students will be provided with a job description. So it will be the responsibility of the student to write the HR strategies, the recruitment strategies that will be adopted by the student for recruiting the right fit employee for the organization. So for example, you have a job description of a strategic analyst. Now you will mention all the recruitment strategies. So for example, you will be stating that I'll post a job description on Naukri.com, Indeed.com or any platforms to invite the resumes. Then I'll be doing their personal interview, then behavioral interview to assess that if they are right fit for my organization or not. Also, you need to justify the recruitment strategies, the tools that you are using in your strategy for inviting the right kind of people and then selecting them. So you need to justify as well in order to score good marks in this assessment. This assessment of HR policy analysis has a weightage of 30%. The second assessment is case study report, which has the topic of strategic HRM, which is human resource management. In this report, you will be provided with a case study. For example, you'll be provided with a case study of an organization that is dealing with high staff turnover. They are dealing with people are going out of the organization and they are unhappy with the practices that are being going in the organization. So you'll be provided with a case study. You must propose a bundle of HR practices that you will be initiating in the organization in order to reduce the staff turnover. Along with that, you will be providing a justification that why do you believe that these HR strategies will solve the problem highlighted in the case study, and also align those strategies with the business goals. So this will be entire case study report that you will be proposing to the organization who is dealing with the problem of high staff turnover. In this manner, you'll be practicing actually to understand that what kind of problems modern organizations deal with, also what kind of recommendations that you can provide in order to solve that problem. This assignment holds 40% weightage, which is the maximum in the entire unit. The third assessment is final examination, which will include all the aspects of HR, all the functions of all the required information on the legal environment of HR, performance management, workplace, health and safety. So this is something which is not just about the strategies that you play within the organization, but also about the compliance that needs to be done. Safety and health compliance activities that needs to be done in order to ensure that your employees are healthy and happy working in an organization. So all of this will be assessed in this final examination, which will have a weightage of 30%. So this is about the fundamentals of human resource management unit. If you have any such queries if you want to learn about any human resource management practices or strategy in particular, you can write down in the reports. I am doing a recap of all the assessments that I have covered till now. So the first assessment is HR policy analysis, which will cover 30% weightage. The topic will be recruitment strategies, in which you will be provided with a job description and you need to detail all the recruitment strategies that you will be using for recruiting the right fit employee in your organization. The second assessment is a case study report, which will hold 40% weightage, in which you will be provided with a case study and you need to propose HR practices, a bundle of HR practices to solve that problem, and also you need to justify them. That how do you believe that these practices will actually solve the problem. The third assessment is the final examination, which will hold 30% weightage, in which you will be assessed around everything that surrounds an organization, includes the health and safety compliance, legal environment of HR and everything. If you have any such queries, please write down in the comments. I will be happy to help. Thank you so much.